Welcome back. Hope you're doing good. In this episode, let us try and understand how the function median works in Excel. Median is a function in Excel which will find the middle number. If I have a series of numbers like this, if the series of numbers count is odd, then we have to use a different calculation. If the series of numbers in the range is even, the count is even, then we have to use a different calculation. Now, in this case, we have a series of numbers. I have taken some numbers. Let me delete this and create a series of numbers from 12 and use series. So I wanted to find out the median in these numbers. Since the count is 8, if I apply the formula median, select the range, and median will be 15.5. Because the count is 8, we will get the median as 15.5. If the count of numbers are odd, like this, 12, 45, 65, 77, 98, 34, and 53. I will stop this, and I have used some random numbers, and the count is odd numbers. I will find the median for this odd count of numbers equals median. Open the bracket, then select the range and close the bracket. Now you will get to see the median is 53. Out of these numbers, 53 will be the middle number. This is a simple calculation to find out the median, since this is an odd numbers of count which we have used the result as 53. But how did the Excel calculate when the count of numbers is even? What the median function will do is basically equals sum and take both the numbers which are in middle. Because the numbers are in series, we have to take the middle number 15 plus 16. If you have a random number, then that will be a different case. Now we will get the result as 15.5. This is how the Excel will operate when the series of numbers and the count is even. When the count is odd, it is very straightforward and easy for the Excel to find out the median in a given range of value. So we are working on a financial data. So let us apply the same function, the median function, to find out the result for the financial data set. The function is same, equals median, and open the bracket and select the range of cells on which we wanted to find out the median. Because if you see, the numbers are not in sequence or series. These are all random numbers. On these numbers, Excel has to find out the middle number. We will drag the formula, the function, to other cells to find out the result of median for each of the headers. So we have got the result for the median. This is the result of median for all these headers: units sold, manufacturing price, sale price, gross sale, discount, sales, COGS, and profit. Since the numbers are in sequence or the numbers are in series, that is why we have taken both the numbers 15 and 16 to find out the median. If we have the numbers, or if we have the same numbers copied and we have randomized the number with 19, 15, 16, 18, I will update this one as 13, and we put 15, we will use 15. Okay, we have to get the same result even though the numbers are in random. Let us see what happens if we use the function median when we randomize the same numbers. And select the range and close the bracket. So we have the same result, which is 15.5, even if we randomize the numbers. It is not the numbers how it is placed. Median is calculating out of all these numbers which number sits in middle. It will take those two numbers and use the median function to get the result.